In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add animation to your object or image. So I'm just gonna grab here add an image, so I can go to insert, head over to shapes, and here I'm gonna add a circle, hold shift, and I would like this circle to move from here to here. So we have here a couple of animations, as you can see. So appear, fade, fly in, float in. We can even click on it, and this will like preview the animation. And what's good that you can also auto preview, and you can actually turn this on and off, but it's good to have this turn on, and it is as default as turn on when you press on it. You can see the option. So now we like from here, from left. So now we can have like this, so we can keep preview, and we have this animation. Now here, if you click on here, you can see all the animation. You can look through all the animations, or you can click here, which is better because you can see all the animations. Now we can also use entrance, that's the entrance animations, but we also have emphasis. As you can see, a pulse animation or a speed animation. We also have here exit animation, fade in, as you can see, or zoom. But let's say now we like to add float in from up or down. Here we have options, or fly in, and then from bottom left, or from left. And then we would like to add another animation, because if we click here, it will just change the animation. So even though you added an animation here, this will just disappear. What are the settings here? If you change the settings, you exactly set this up exactly the way you want it, but then if you click on here, everything changed back, or just reset it or not, and you like to add another one. So to fix this, I was kind of confused when I started learning PowerPoint. So in order to fix this, what you gotta do is to actually click on here, add animation. Now you can add a second one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pretty much just select the fly in, but now it's from fly in effect from the other way, from right. So now if you play the animation, you see we have what we created. And you can also, if you click on this, you have two animations added to this shape. And the same thing will apply if you actually add it to a photo. And now here we can also select from entrance. Let's go to emphasizes. So let's add a pulse. So now we have two. Let's play this animation from here. We have two. So we have and by the way, I forgot to mention that you cannot even add three. And here in animation plane, you can see all your animations, because we added the second one, and we even added the third one. And now you might say, well, I would like to remove one. So to remove one, let's say we play all of this, this animation play all. And as you can see, we also have this one here, but let's right click and select remove, and now we play all of this. So deselect, because if you play only that. Now we have this one, which is the as you can see, this one is on click entrance, fly in, oval 3, and you can even change other things here. You have more options, which that's why I'm saying a lot. I'm saying that PowerPoint is really powerful. It's really powerful, so that's cool. And now let's click here in effects and settings. From bottom you can change from here as well. That's why this animation pane, it's very important. And also we also have here the selection pane, which it's very helpful, because maybe if you click control and you drag, you can create a lot of copies. Now you have a lot of animation. You would like to select only one, and you can do it from here, and you can also hide. Alright, control Z to undo. And now let's go back to animation plane. And here an animation plane, you can even add triggers. So let's add triggers. So I'm just gonna select this one, effect controls, effects. Here we have settings from bottom, but we would like to add a smooth start. And here enhances, we can add some after effects. So after animation, don't dim. You can add, as you can see here, more colors or hide after animation. There's many different settings. Start on click. With previous, you can also select delay. You can even delay it. It's 1 second, and duration, it's just 0.0 seconds. Let's actually add 1 second. And rewind, we can even add rewind when it's done. And also we can add triggers here or trigger here. So start on click on over tree and start effect on click off tree. Animate as part of the sequence also, and here text animation as well. Let's click on here, and now let's see what we created here. Play all. And you can even drag, let's say this one starts right now, but you would like for this one to start a little bit later. So we can also change the duration. As you can see, we can change the duration. Ends in 6 seconds, ends in 2 seconds. But you can also grab and just drag. Let's say we want this oval tree to start, and then this one. So now we play, this one start, and then the other one. So yeah, you have a lot of options, as I said, and to work with animations in PowerPoint. So there's so many options. And here, this one, for what this one is good, it's like if you add now this shape. Now you don't want to repeat all the animations you added. You don't want to repeat the entire process, because that's gonna take you a lot of time. So you don't want to repeat the same process again, all over again. But what you can do is actually go here to animations, click on animation painter, and make sure when you click animation painter you have that shape selected, and then you select on the other one. You select the second shape, or that shape that you like to add the animations that you have inside this shape for me. And I would like to add what this, oval has, or what animation it has included. I would like to add to copy all this animation to this shape. Alright, so that's pretty much. And also from here, as I showed you, have here on click oval tree, on click, so oval tree. And as you can see now, we can play. We can even look here, and if it doesn't start right now, as you can see, it's just white. But if I click, it will start. All right. So that's really powerful. Now let me show you how to use exit. So we can add a fly out now. So it's pretty cool. Now we can click on here and click, will fly out. But here we added this fly out. But as I said, you could have add fly in, and we're gonna move this here. So I'll start off flying and then fly out. So let's play. As you can see, it works. Now let's click on add. Now let's add a motion pad. And now we can select the motion pad here. Here you also have effects from left, right, locked, edit points. So now let's move it here. You also have here some other options. Also reverse path. So now let's play all. So you can even add a shape, turn, line. So now let's play all. Play all. Now that's because you don't see it because it's here, but we can fix that. So we can move this here now, and also make this much faster. Let's see, like this now. Just select this and make a turn maybe. What about this? Mm. So we can move this turn here, and let's move this above this part. So we can even change this to rotation, or we can even add now another one, loops maybe. Now we have a fourth animation. So there's only not only two animation that's important here. And actually, in fact, let's change this. Let's maybe add a fade, right? Fade, and here fade out, and then we play. Because we added a fade, now we can't see it. But what about the shape? Like this, or maybe we just delete this, and let's replay all. Play all. Okay, oval, and then it plays the third one. Yeah, so you can apply this in so many situations, so you can create some pretty nice and fascinating and cool, good looking presentation that will capture the audience attention. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.